That is one of my biggest problems. Power tools. The sound alone. Oh, I'm so scared of them that in itself makes me dangerous to work with them. But still, I can use the jigsaw, but this is such a good tool, I simply have to use it. So I'm gonna be brave today. So if you see me standing like this, cutting a little tiny piece of wood, don't laugh please. It's me getting over my fears. Blade not going up. Next problem. This is all working above my head. And although my physio will be proud of me, it's not the easiest thing to do at the moment. These muscles, they're still not back in that old fit state. So I was thinking of pre-drilling, but why do it if it maybe works without? So I'm going to try it without first. 1, 2, 3. If I do 4 for lunch, that has to be done later, then I'd be already very, very happy.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will let sorrows let go like
I'm hitting holes. It's not fair. Please, no hole. Yes.
just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know you feel?
These last ones, they just don't go in. I guess the metal is reinforced or something. But I had one in the other corner. That one went in. Don't know what to do here. Don't know. But the ceiling is in. And that went in no time. I'm going to continue with the long side. This is fun. Except for that one little screw. Oh well, part it again. I was just thinking, this panel is quite big. So if I can make a support halfway, it'll be better. That means I have to have an opening here in the horizontal one, otherwise I have nothing to attach the other one to. Maybe I should put those in first. That's not a bad idea. Where?
But I can tell that you have something on your mind. a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me.
This is a tricky one. It has to go all the way up to there. Okay, 70, and then to the little problem, 115. 115, remember. Alright, let's see. On that thing. Oh, that's a... Yeah, it can do it without breaking. Scary. Now I better get a level. And then again, the bus is not standing level. Measure. How to do that. This maybe. 5.5. And here 5.5. Wow, I'm perfect. Doesn't look straight though. I'm going to change it anyway. So it has to look right. Doesn't necessarily have to be right. It has to look right. That'll do. Timo, don't do it. Be nice. Ken just arrived. He's gonna do the cuts for me. And that'll go a lot quicker. We'll be done in no time. Yes, sir. Tomorrow we hope to go to Marmaris. There's a building material shop we want to check out. Maybe on the way back we can buy wood. The tongue and groove we need to do this. And then with some stain, I'll be busy again. First this.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes.
Well, I guess Ken changed his mind. But I finished that bit off. I have to ask him how to do the top. But it's lunchtime. So that's first. And then we'll finish off. Oh boy, oh boy. I'm getting tired. It's getting harder and harder to get that drill to do what I want it to do. Whoa, too long. No, it just get a bit of. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is huge. I'm going to cut it here. I'll be back. This is getting so hard. I'm about to cry. I'm going to get Ken. He has to help me. There's some places that I just can't get the screws in anymore. No strength left. But we're nearly there.
Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes. All your sorrows, let go like there's no tomorrow.
Ken came to the rescue. It's in. We're done. We might have to do a little tweaky things when we do the tongue and groove, but it's in. I can't explain how happy I am. I can get so tired. when I can't do what I wanted to do. I lack a skill, go out and learn it, no problem. But if the body don't want to do what I want it to do, I can get so frustrated. And what do when you're frustrated? You take a cup of coffee and you eat some biscuits. That's the only cure, and that's what I'm gonna do right now.
There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax.